Hey everybody, welcome back to part 3 of the air compressor. I got it set up on there with a little bit of help from my brother-in-law and father-in-law. Got it marked where I want it, and I got the hammer drill, and that's what I'm going to do next is drill the holes. Got some anchor bolts, self-expanding anchor bolts, I believe is what they're called. And I got some wire, it's used but it'll do, and should be going to Home Depot this weekend to get my breaker box, my breakers, and all that good stuff. And I think that'll be part 4. But anyway, part 3, I'm gonna film doing the drilling and tightening the bolts. So you guys just be patient. Guys, I got one hole drilled. Fixing to do the back one over here, and then the one in the other corner. We've been battling some dirt daubers. I done pissed them off because I knocked their nest down. So you see me take off, it's because I'm going to grab some brake cleaner. Anyway, here we go, number 2. Last hole, number 3. I think I ended up hitting my rebar there because it went down and it stopped, so I think I'm going to put it on there and see how well those other ones hold. I got 2 long bolts and 2 short ones, so I think I might just use one of the short ones there and hope it holds. Actually, I take that back. Here's one other thing I got to do real quick. I got to get my pad. You'll see what I'm using. They're supposed to use an isolation pad. I'll show you what I'm using for that here in a second. Well guys, the rubber isolator pads that I was going to use aren't going to work. So right now, I think we're just going to bolt it straight to the concrete, and I can always get some and put them on later. I might do that, pick up some this week, but for now we're just going to go ahead and try to bolt this thing down. Let's turn it back. Get it back on spot. old shake test. It's on there pretty good. I did me a little test hole just to test out that drill before I did anything else, but that one and the front one held good. This back one, this is the one I said I hit some rebar on when I was drilling. It's not even tight. So I'm gonna see if I can find a drill bit or something to go through that freaking rebar. But I think 2 out of the 3 will be alright. I hope it won't go nowhere, and I know myself I'll be regularly checking it. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to get into this light. I got a little bit of dirt work to do. This soil's so daggum sandy and soft. I had a little bit of a berm right up against here, but we kind of knocked it down when we pushed the pallet up. But I'm gonna build that back up and try to fix it again. But that is it for today, guys. It is hot. I'm going inside, getting a shower, and cool off. Thanks for watching part 3, and stay tuned for part 4. That should be the wiring part of it, and maybe the break-in. We'll see. But thanks everybody for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and share. And please have a great day.